This is how to manage your schedule setup on MilkNotes. Schedule setup can be found in the left menu. This page is where you configure how your calendar works and personalize it to you and your company's needs. The company appointment page section is only visible to company admins. Here you can edit your company name, add company details, make the company appointment page public, and find a link to the company appointment page. In the individual appointment page section, you can select which LC's page you would like to edit from the drop-down box. The only difference between the company and individual appointment pages is the company appointment page will give the client the option to select from a list of your LCs, whereas the individual page will only show appointments for that LC. If you are not an admin or you're the sole member of your company, you will only have your individual appointment page section. All the options in this section are the same as above. You can preview what your appointment page will look like by pressing the preview button under the link. This link can also be shared with your clients to view your availability and request an appointment. The appointment type section is where you'll customize the different kinds of appointments your company provides. For every appointment type, you can edit the location, duration, color code, whether this type can be scheduled publicly, price, whether to show the price, and the appointment description. The advanced options allow you to add custom pre- and post buffer times, so appointments on your public calendar won't be scheduled too close together. Let's create a new appointment type. Press the Add New button. Now name your new type and select its location, duration, color, and price. I want my clients to be able to schedule this type and see the price on my public appointment page, so I'll check both these options. I know that it usually takes me 15 minutes before and after this type of appointment until I'm ready for another type. So under the advanced options, I'll add in my buffer times. Now all that's left to do is write my description. Keep in mind that if this type of appointment is public, the description will be shown on your public page after the type has been selected. There are many useful options in this text field to format your description to your liking. The last section in your schedule setup is your weekly availability. This is where you will define your typical weekly schedule with ranges of time and the types of appointments you accept during each range. If there is more than one LC in your company, you can select their name from a drop-down box to see their weekly template. Here's an example of a weekly template. You can click and drag an existing range to move it or tap it to edit it. Click and drag in an available spot to create a new range. In the new window, you can select which appointments are allowed to be scheduled in this range, edit the day of week this range lives, change the start and end time, and whether or not this range will show on your public appointment page. Clients will only be allowed to schedule during appointment ranges that have this selected. Keep in mind that if you select an appointment type to be scheduled in this range that is not set to public, your clients will not be able to schedule it within this or any public-facing time range. Click Save. Now you can fill your weekly template with your usual business hours and operations. This schedule setup area gives you tremendous control and flexibility and dictates how your public-facing appointment pages will appear to your prospective clients. Subscribe to the MilkNotes YouTube channel for more simple tutorials and helpful information.